Hello everyone, welcome back to Common Questions in Genetics. In today's class, we will be discussing about some of the common questions such as what is cancer, what is the difference between benign and malignant tumors, what are the early signs or the warning signs of cancer, and what are the signs and symptoms of cancer. Cancer is a class of diseases or disorders characterized by uncontrolled division of cells and the ability to spread either by direct growth into adjacent tissue through invasion or by implantation into distant sites by metastasis, where cancer cells are transported through the bloodstream or the lymphatic system. In the image here, you can see that the first mutation will happen, then second, then third, fourth, and finally it will become the malignant tumor outgrowth. Next, we see what is the difference between benign and malignant tumors. Coming to the spread of benign tumors, it will be localized, whereas in malignant, it can be local and distant spread. The rate of growth may be slow in benign tumors, whereas rapid in the malignant tumors. Coming to the boundaries, it could be circumcised and often encapsulated in benign, whereas in malignant, it could be irregular and non-encapsulated. Coming to the relationship to the surrounding tissues, it generally compresses the normal tissues in benign, whereas in malignant, it will invade and destroy the surrounding normal tissue. And what are the effects? It will produce the pressure on the surrounding structures, such as the blood vessels, nerves, and organs in benign, whereas in malignant, it will destroy the structures. And coming to the treatment, the removal of the tumor will help to remove the cancer in benign tumors, whereas in malignant, even though they will try to remove, because of the spread, they will not be able to restore the function of the affected tissues. Next, coming to the signs and symptoms of cancer. First of all, we'll see what are the early signs or 8 signs to detect early stages of cancer. The first one is unusual bleeding or discharge. Second, change in bowel and bladder habits. Third, a sore that does not heal. Fourth, nagging cough and hoarseness. Fifth, decrease in weight. Sixth, obvious change in mole or wart. Seventh, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing. And eighth, thickening or lump. These are the 8 early signs to detect the cancer. Now, once cancer has happened, what are the signs and symptoms? How do we identify? Roughly, cancer symptoms can be divided into 3 groups, that is, local symptoms such as unusual lumps or swelling. Second, hemorrhage, that is bleeding. Third, pain or ulceration. And fourth, compression of surrounding tissues may cause symptoms such as jaundice, that is the yellowing of the eyes and the skin. The symptoms of metastasis, that is the spreading of the cancer, can be seen as enlarged lymph nodes, cough, and hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means vomiting out blood. And hepatomegaly, that is enlarged liver, bone pain, fracture of affected bones, and neurological symptoms. Although advanced cancer may cause pain, it is often not the first symptom. Here we can see what are the things, organs when they are affected, what will happen. such as if the bone is affected, that is bone metastasis, there will be the pain in the bone, and it can also lead to the pathological fractures. And in case of tumors in the brain or in metastasis which happens in the brain, it could lead to the sudden falls and seizures. And liver metastasis can cause the jaundice and bleeding. And in lungs metastasis can cause the pneumonia and shortness of breath. The systemic symptoms include weight loss, poor appetite, fatigue, and cachexia, that is weakness in body due to severe chronic illness, excessive sweating, especially night sweats, anemia, and thrombosis or hormonal changes. Thrombosis is the blood clots in the veins. So these are the various signs and symptoms of cancer. So in this PPT, we have seen what is cancer, what are the early signs or warning signs of cancer, what is the difference between benign and malignant tumors, and what are the symptoms, signs and symptoms of cancer, which can be divided into three, that is local symptoms, then the metastatic symptoms, and the systemic symptoms. Hope you understood, students. If you do like the video, please subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.